airline fuel. It's almost like an aphrodisiac. So I'm at the airport here at Toronto Pearson International, and what I'm going to do is walk you right from the curb all the way through. We're going to go through security, we're going to go through the checkpoints, we're going to see what Toronto has done to make you safe. But that's not where it stops. After that, guess what Lorraine is doing? Lorraine is going on a plane. One of the touch points I really want to tell you about as we talk all day today about safety, arriving at an airport, departing from an airport, and everything that the airport has put in place for you just to be safe is the limo. You're arriving in a limo or even a taxi, make sure you use a licensed one, because what they've done is they've made all these improvements to keep you safe. So this is a plastic barrier, and this barrier is all airtight. So if somebody sneezes at the front, you're good. You want to pay? No problem. Lift up this little lap here and you can put your money through. Visa machine right there. Very easy. This is an air quality monitoring station. The air is sucked in every 5 minutes and it is checked in real time. So this air is as good quality as it is inside a hospital. I mean, these guys are really taking this stuff seriously. They're even using UV light sterilization inside the HVAC system. But if you want to check the air quality of the airport in real time, just go onto their website and you can see, because they actually publish the data right away. Touch-free backdrop. How easy is that? That's really cool. I love it. There's 400 hand sanitizing stations in this airport. This time, we get to go business class. And again, touchless. We don't have to worry about anything else. Push it through.
So, sir, I need to take your temperature. If you could just lift your hair up off your forehead for me, please. Thank you. Thank you, and you're all set to go.
Remove our masks only for the identification purposes, but the rest of it, your mask back on. Air travel has never been cleaner. Let me tell you, when I used to get on planes for years, all I have ever done is clean down my seat. Nowadays, of course, you have the masks, which you have to wear throughout the flight, except when you're eating and drinking. They provide you with wet wipes and everything ready to clean down your space. Because before you get on the plane, with Air Canada's new Clean Care regime, everything is sanitized before you get on and fogged. The whole plane is fogged. They are the cleanest planes you'll ever have flown on. Travel has never, ever, ever been cleaner.
The air inside the cabin is a mix of 50% fresh air, 50% cabin air, and it's refreshed every 2 to 3 minutes, 20 to 30 times an hour. To ensure passenger safety, air comes out from the top, forces everything to the bottom, and it comes out through the return vents. In this aircraft, we have 3 HEPA filters. 2 are located here in the belly of the aircraft in the forward cargo, and 1 is located in the main cabin ceiling.
So what does a girl have to do to get service around here? Hold on. Wake me, no. Do not disturb, no. Okay, call. Let's see. Can I please have a glass of champagne?
Oh, we don't have that today, though.
No champagne?
No.
No? What about a quarantini? Can I have a quarantini?
That does sound delightful. However, the only thing that we have with alcohol in it is our hand sanitizer, which we would recommend. We would recommend using it for its sole intended purpose.
Oh.
I'm not going to complain. I'm in the air. I'm on a plane. It's perfect.
Flight attendants, 30 minutes till touchdown.
No! 30 minutes till touchdown. No, I want it to last longer. Please don't.
The coolest things about traveling during this pandemic is that I get entire chairs all to myself. Social distancing, not a problem. So it's disinfecting, non-toxic, water-based, and very refreshing.
It's like one of those things that they have in bars in Florida. You know, when they cool you off. Oh, it's lovely. I like that. Can I go through again? So I got my bag, and look how good Air Canada is. They put a fragile sticker right on it. I am so happy that you came on this journey with me today, all the way to Montreal and back again. We had an awesome time. I am really, really, really glad that I was up in the air again on a plane. And I can't wait to do it again very soon. If you are interested in travel, please, you can always find me at lorrainesimpson.com, your travel expert from Cityline TV, and at Lorraine Simpson Travels on Instagram. Please look for me. Always happy to answer questions. Anytime you have any questions, concerns, or anything like that, I'm here for you.